Hey guys, so this is my 2017 Mr. Clean Super Bowl commercial for our gender media analysis and discussion. I included a GIF in it just to demonstrate towards some people if they hadn't watched the video, kind of what we're about to dive into. Just a preview about what the commercial was about. It's about a female that is in the kitchen, and Mr. Clean necessarily comes to save the day by cleaning for her. Mr. Clean and the woman dance, and I kind of noticed they were dancing seductively. And then a man calls her name. I'm gonna say that that's her significant other because she starts kissing him. And it seems like she was seduced by the fact that he was cleaning for her instead of her cleaning the kitchen. And then I kind of wanted to dive into why it's offensive towards women. I think it demonstrates sexism that women are the people that normally clean in the house, and it shows it necessarily isn't normal if men are the ones cleaning. It also demonstrates that women are rescued if their significant other cleans instead of them. And it also shows some pretty big generals in the house and in the kitchen that it's supposed to be a woman that's doing that. And I think that that's just something that we need to get rid of. We are in 2020 and there's many different roles that men and women both fulfill inside of the house. I also kind of wanted to go over why it's offensive to men, just because it shows that men are these strong and big guys, and it implies that men can't be the ones that enjoy the cleaning. I know that my significant other personally likes cleaning and likes everything intact, and based off of this commercial, it's like he's not supposed to be the one that's cleaning, or he's not supposed to be the one that has everything set straight. I just wanted to go over how it dives into excellent journalism, and even if it does, and within the context, I think that it does, but on every other aspect, it doesn't make sense. I don't think that it should have been the proper way to produce this commercial. As for complexity, it's pretty simple. Nothing exciting, nothing different. I don't know if they thought it was funny and more comical than it was serious. And then for voices, I don't think that the voice is very clear. I don't know who's speaking. I don't know if it's the men. I don't know if it's the woman. And then it's not authentic either. I think it demonstrates, again, what women are supposed to do. And I don't think that Mr. Clean is going to show up in anyone's house. And I don't think cleaning is going to make any woman jump on their man. It's not equal in any area, so it's definitely not proportional. And this is basically what I got out of the video. And thank you all for watching.